Ever wished you had eyes on every angle of your car, all the time? What if I told you there's a device that does exactly that, and more, giving you unparalleled peace of mind? Today, we're diving deep into the PRUVEEO 360-degree view 4-channel dashcam, a true game-changer for anyone serious about road safety and vehicle protection. This isn't just another dashcam. It's a comprehensive security system for your ride. Let's talk about its most groundbreaking feature, that incredible 4-channel 360-degree view. Forget traditional dash cams that only see what's in front. The PRUVEEO comes equipped with 4 high-definition 1080p lenses, simultaneously recording everything happening at the front, rear, left, and right sides of your vehicle. Imagine the clarity, the undeniable evidence, should anything happen. What's even better is that the front 3 lenses are adjustable, letting you fine-tune your capture angles. This means absolutely no dead zones around your car, ensuring you catch every detail, from fender benders to parking lot mishaps, or even monitor your car's interior with one of those versatile lenses. It's like having an all-seeing guardian for your vehicle. But what about when you're not even in the car? This is where the PRUVEEO truly shines with its time-lapse recording and 24/7 parking mode. This isn't just about recording. It's about smart, efficient surveillance. The time-lapse function cleverly compresses 60 minutes of video into just 1 minute, saving precious memory card space and making playback incredibly fast. Thanks to the required ACC hardwire kit, which, crucially, includes a low-voltage protection function, your car battery is safe. You get round-the-clock monitoring against vandalism, hit-and-runs, or any suspicious activity, all without worrying about draining your car's power. It's intelligent protection that works tirelessly, so you don't have to. And for those moments when every detail matters, the PRUVEEO has your back with something truly essential, built-in GPS logger. This isn't just about recording video. It's about providing irrefutable, contextual evidence. The integrated GPS accurately pinpoints your vehicle's exact location, speed in kmh or mph, the precise time, and even maps out your entire route in real time. Should an incident occur, using the dedicated GPS video player allows you to visually track your vehicle's path, confirming the exact coordinates of any event. This level of detail is absolutely critical for seamless roadside assistance, robust insurance claims, and proving exactly what happened, where, and when. Finally, let's not overlook its exceptional quality night vision. The cabin lens, with its wide f1.8 aperture and 4 dedicated infrared lights, ensures crystal clear recording even in the darkest conditions. This isn't just an afterthought. It's a commitment to round-the-clock protection. You'll get superior image performance compared to many other dash cams, meaning whether it's bright noon or the dead of night, your PRUVEEO is capturing everything with remarkable clarity. The PRUVEEO 360-degree view 4-channel dash cam truly redefines vehicle security. With its comprehensive 360-degree view, intelligent 24/7 parking surveillance, precise GPS logging, and superb night vision, plus a free 128G card to get you started, it's an investment in unparalleled peace of mind. Don't leave your vehicle's safety to chance. Empower yourself with complete protection. You deserve to drive with confidence. Find the link in the description below to secure yours today